Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your FX book. First, identify your specific foreign exchange broker and the trading platform you currently utilize. Confirm that your trading account is active and holds adequate capital for any intended operations. Understanding the precise reason for connecting your FX book, whether for automated trading or advanced analytics, will guide your subsequent steps. This initial preparation is crucial for a smooth integration process. Next, you will need to generate your application programming interface credentials. Access your broker's online portal and find the account settings or a dedicated developer section. Look for the option to create new API keys, which are essential for external connections. Once generated, carefully copy both your unique API key and the corresponding secret key. Remember to store these sensitive credentials in a secure location, as they grant access to your trading account. Now, let's integrate these credentials with your chosen third-party platform. Launch the external software or application you intend to use for managing your foreign exchange activities. Within its interface, locate the section dedicated to integration or broker connections. Carefully paste your previously copied API key into the public key field and your secret key into its respective private field. Double-check for accuracy before proceeding to the next step. Finally, it's time to test and verify your new connection. Within the third-party application, initiate a connection test to ensure proper communication with your broker. Confirm that your current account balance, open positions, and historical data are accurately reflected. For a complete check, consider executing a very small test trade, perhaps one micro lot, to confirm that orders are placed and executed correctly. This ensures your FX book is fully connected and operational.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.